Assalamu alaikum. I want us to have a very good discussion on the Arabic, is it past tense verb, present tense, or command tense. Okay, let's look at the present tense verbs, like present tense verbs. You know that the Arabic language, the verbs of the Arabic language, majorly they have their pronouns attached to them. Unlike the English language, if I want to say, okay, I could say he is going in the English language. He is going. Now we are making a meaning. He going. Well, in the Arabic language, these two could be put together because the verbs have the he already. Like when I say yadhabu, it already conveys the same meaning of he is going. Yadhabu, he is going. So the verb yadhabu is an embodiment of both the verb and also the pronoun that is in it. So if I say yadhabu only, it means he is going. So that's why I could even say yadhabu ila al-fasli, he is going to the class. I've already made a statement. Yadhabu ila al-fasli, he's going to the class. Now this same verb, in order to have the different pronouns that will be attached, we have a lot of pronouns, especially for the Arabic language, because the Arabic, why the pronouns are so much in Arabic language is because Arabic caters so much about the genders and even the numbers. In the Arabic language, we have the verbs for the different genders, the males, the females. We also have the verbs for singular, dual, and even plural. We even have the verbs for the second person, third person, and the first persons. So you can see that there will be so much. Unlike the English language, I would say he is going. The pronoun is separate. I am going. The verb remains the same, not changing. Going is going. Just the pronouns will differentiate who is going. Am I the one going? Are you the one going? Are they the ones going? Are we the ones going? But the Arabic language, the pronouns are embedded in the verbs. Now I've just given you one of the pronouns, which is yadhabu, he is going. So when next you see yadhabu, it means he is going. This is not peculiar to yadhabu. Any other Arabic verb that comes in this pattern will simply means he is doing something. An example, if I say yaftahu, it means he is opening. As long as the verb follow this pattern, yaftahu, yadhabu, the only thing that is attached to it is the ya, because the verb originally was a past tense verb fataha, which means he opened. When we want to make it to present tense, it became yaftahu. The ya is attached to it. So any other verb, like even if you say the verb yaktulu, it means he's unaliving. He's making somebody not to live. He's taking the life of somebody. Yakutulu. When you see yadhabu, he's going. Yashrabu, he is drinking. This is he. He is drinking. Yashrabu. So the ya alone will tell you that this is he. But if we're to use it for a female, let's say now. The plural, the ta and ya. An example, if I say yabahathu, he is searching, it will be tabahathu, she is searching. Do you understand? Yabahathu, he is searching. Tabahathu, she is searching. Sorry. Yabahathu, she is searching. Tabahathu, yabahathu, he is searching. Tabahathu, she is searching. So I can say yabahathu aliyun an kitabi. Ali is searching for his book. When it comes to Aisha, I will say tabahathu Aishatu an kitabiha. Aisha is searching for her book. Do you see the difference? So ya is used for he, ta is used for she. Another example to give for the pronouns, for the verbs also is the adhabu, like adhabu. This for the first person. If I want to say I'm going, it will be adhabu. Spot the difference. Now I'm bringing a, which is Hamza. means I. Adhabu, I am going. We said yadhabu, he is going. Tadhabu, she is going. Now adhabu, I am going. Adhabu, I am going. Again, yadhabu, he is going. Tadhabu, she is going. Adhabu, I am going. Do you see that? So yadhabu, he, yeah, he, ta, she, I. Now we are going. Nadhabu, we are going. Nadhabu. So this is how the Arabic verbs are. So any other verb, you can easily attach the pronouns to them. This year, like let's say you just come across a word and the word is shariba, drink. So it will be yashrabu, he is drinking. Tashrabu, she is drinking. Ashrabu, I'm drinking. So yashrabul ma'a, he is drinking water. Tashrabul ma'a, she is drinking water. Ashrabul ma'a, I am drinking water. Okay, I've just told you about she, he, and I. What about you? Now you, depending on the gender, if it's a male, it's different. A female, it's also different. If you are a male and I want to tell you that you are doing something, it is similar to the word I used for the she. So it is still tadhabu. I just told you that tadhabu means she is going. The same pattern is used for the male. It's the same thing. So I will say tadhabu, you are going. So this is to say that the tadhabu, ta is used for she and you female. So tadhabu, you male, you are going, or tadhabu, she is going. So I will simply say takulu, you are eating. Tashrabu, you male, you are drinking. Okay, if you in front of me you are a female, the only difference is to add ya and nun at the end to give us tashrabina, tashrabina, tashrabina. You are drinking. Tashrabina, you are drinking. So again, yashrabu, he is drinking. Tashrabu, she is drinking. Ashrabu, I am drinking. Tashrabu, you male, you are drinking. Tashrabina, you are drinking. So yadhabu, he is going. Tadhabu, she is going. Adhabu, I am going. Then tadhabu, you male, you are going. Tadhabina, you female, you are going. So if you study this very well, you see that the Arabic verbs are easy to understand because it's just the attachment of those particles ya, ta, nun, hamza. That's what differentiates the person that the pronouns are pointing to. And in order to have a full grasp of this topic, just go to my bio and check for the first video that is placed there. That video is about the formation of verbs. You will learn a lot, no doubt. You will learn and know how to form it so that you don't doubt. Because I don't doubt. I can easily say yadhabu, tadhabu, tadhabu, tadhabina, adhabu, yadhabani, tadhabani, 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 nadhabu, yadhabuna, yadhabna, tadhabuna, tadhabna, nadhabu. Because I understand and I know how they are conjugated. Any other verb, I will conjugate them in the same way without any difficulty. It's just that you've not paid close attention. You've not paid attention closely to the verbs. That's why you may find them difficult. You think they are difficult. They are not difficult. And if you want to learn the Arabic in a more organized manner, then consider hitting on our course in order to get a course, and you can learn at your pace, your time, without any disturbance, and you wouldn't have to rush because this is not a live course. Rather, it's a prepared course that will guide you through. Ask Allah to grant you knowledge of the Arabic language so you can enjoy the beauty of Islam. Ila an naltaqi until we meet. Ma'as salama.